In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to add tooltips to your elements. So let's start by importing the tooltip module. So md tooltip module. And now let's import this from angular/material. Beautiful. Now let's go to app component.html. Here I'm going to add a span. This is where we're going to have some text. And when the user hovers over this span, we want to show them a tooltip. So here we apply the md tooltip directive and set it to the actual tooltip. Here is my tooltip. Let's have a look. So hover, and we get this beautiful tooltip with a nice animation. However, you can see that this tooltip is kind of off the screen. It's a little bit close to the edges. Now in this particular demo, this is because I don't have any padding in the body element, and chances are you're not going to have this issue in a real-world application. But what I want to show you is that you have control over the position of this tooltip. So once again, on the Angular Material website, on the components page, if you scroll down, under pop-ups and modals, you can find the tooltip. Here in the overview tab, you can see all the positions you can set. So we've got above, below, left, right, and so on. Now, how do we set this position? Well, if you look at the API tab, here you can see all the properties of the md tooltip directive. So look at this input property, md tooltip position. We can set this to one of the values you saw on the overview tab. So back here, I'm going to set md tooltip position to right. Now, when we hover over this text, our tooltip appears on the right side. Beautiful. So we can see with Angular Material, it's very easy to add tooltips to any elements. All we have to do is to apply the md tooltip directive.